Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Fortnite account even if you have lost access to both your email address and password. Now this process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now before we start clicking buttons, I need to mention a few critical things. This is the only official legal way to get your account back through Epic Games directly, and please ignore anyone in the comments or Instagram claiming they can hack your account back for free. Those are 100% scams. This method works whether you simply forgot your credentials or if your account was compromised. However, because this is an official manual review, you need to be patient, as Epic Games usually takes 1 to 2 business days to verify if you are the real owner or not. So let's get the recovery process started. You don't need to be logged in to do this, which is good because you can't log in. So now what you do is just simply open your preferred browser like Google Chrome or Safari and then head over to the official Epic Games website. So just simply type epicgames.com. Now wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, I am not logged in over here. So now what you do is just simply click on the support option right over here, then wait for a few seconds, and over here you should be able to see a page like this. Now in the search panel, just simply search for anything like recover your account, then hit enter. Now wait for a few seconds, and then an AI bot assistant will appear to help you. So all you have to do is just simply chat with the AI bot and answer the questions that it'll ask. And if it asks you to provide any information details, provide them as well. So for now, just simply click on yes for this particular answer, and then press no over here. Then wait for a few seconds. Now after that, it should give you a recovery link which you can click on, and you will be in the process of recovery. So what you do, just simply click on it. Now it'll ask you to log in, but you have already lost access to your email address, so what you do is just simply click on lost access to this email address. Then just simply click on Continue Account Recovery. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can close this panel over here and click on Start Account Recovery. Now over here, just simply enter the email address that you want to use from this point on. Just simply enter that right over here. After that, click on Continue. Now after that, a verification code will be sent to you on the email address that you just entered. So just simply go ahead and check your inbox. Then enter your security code right over here. So this is the code, copy it, and simply paste it right over here. Then click on Continue. Now is the second step and the most important one as well. So now you have to provide something that can find your account. So click on this drop-down menu, and over here you simply provide anything. For example, you can enter your email address that you no longer have access to, just simply enter that. Or if you have any type of invoice, maybe if you have bought something in Epic Games, you can add that. Or you can even add your account ID or your display name as well. Like for example, you can call one of your friends to ask them your display name. Or you can even use connected accounts, meaning let's say, for example, your account was connected to some other game on a different platform, now for example Battlefield, and it was connected to the EA platform, so you can also use this way to get your account back. So just simply choose any one of the methods provided over here, then simply follow the process. Then after that, you have to just keep on following the steps that are shown over here. It'll automatically fill everything, and it'll ask you anything if it is necessary. And in the end, once you have filled out everything, you can just simply click on the Submit Request button. Then it'll send your application. Now after that, what you have to do is you have to keep a close eye on the new email address that you provided earlier right over here, and you will receive a confirmation email shortly, and then a support agent will reach out to guide you through the final steps. So be sure to check your spam folders just in case the email lands there. So that's it. You now know the official steps to recover your access and get back into your Fortnite game. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.